Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss about an issue that is faced on the Catalan Studio. So this issue is faced usually when we are trying to record an app on emulator or mobile device. So whenever you try to record an app on emulator or mobile device, if you face the similar issue that is shown on the screen, you can see the selenium dot session not created exception, unable to create a new remote session. If you are also facing the similar issue, then I am going to provide you the solution in this video. So coming to solution, you can see the solution. There are three steps. First step is upgrade Appium server version. So you should open Appium server first. So once you open the Appium server, if there are any updates available, it is displayed by default. You can see it's displaying 1.17.1 version available. You can click on install now to install the updated version. So if it is not displayed by default, you can go to file and check updates, and you can click on install now. So coming to the step 2, remove the following packages which are mentioned on the screen. So to remove those packages, you should use adb uninstall commands that you can see on the screen. So that is adb uninstall followed by the package name. So to run this, you should open the command prompt. So in the command prompt, copy paste the command. You can see a message that is no devices or emulators found. That is because I forgot to start the emulator. So now I'm starting the emulator. Please do make sure that you have started the emulator before running this command. So now my emulator is up and you see the error or exception. That is because I have already run this command and there is no package with such name. So that error is thrown. That is fine. If the package is found, you will get a message success. So that means it has successfully uninstalled that particular package. Similarly, run the second command as well for the other package. If this package is found on your device or on your mobile device or emulator, you will get a message success, or else you will get an exception similar to this. So going to the next step, you should delete the folder Android SDK. The path looks something like this. In the C and users, you can see in the C drive users folder, and you can find a login username of your computer or machine. So you should go into that folder and you should find .catalan folder. In that you can find tools and Android SDK. So you should delete this folder. So once you delete this folder, you should open Catalan Studio. So once you open the Catalan Studio, either you should open the mobile project, or you should create a project which is based on the mobile automation. So here I'm going to open the project which is already created. Since you have this issue, by default you might be having the project already created. So click on record mobile option. That's how you might have reproduced this issue, and you can see the message Android SDK is missing. That's because we have already deleted the Android SDK. So you should download this by clicking on OK, so that there are any issues with the Android SDK in your machine, that will be corrected by downloading a fresh Android SDK, that is updated one. So this is going to resolve your issue by following the 3 steps mentioned in the document. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe for more videos.